Do you know how many sales technique for closing a business? Hi, this is MD Fatah Faisal, your sales and marketing specialist. Today I will describe about 7 closing technique for a salesperson in front of their customers. Number 1, now or never close. What does it mean? It doesn't mean that if you as a salesperson you can't close a deal with a specific moment, that means you will not close the deal anymore. For example, if your customer want 20% discount or needs a additional value added service, you have to provide them with the approval of your management. Then this customer may buy your product or you can close the deal. This is one technique. The second technique is summary closing. Between your conversation with a particular client, there is a part that you can summarize your total proposal within a word or a sentence. This sentence will help you to get the business and close the deal. Number 3, sharp angle. What does it mean by sharp angle? Customer always asks you for the price reduction. What will you do? They want lower price and higher service. In that situation, you must have to discuss with your manager that this customer want this with this price. Then you can close the deal after the approval of your management. You need immediate proposal to the customers so that this customer will be happy and get your product. Number 4, question question closing. Every some salesperson, and it should required for every salesperson, there are series of questions you need to ask to your customer so that the customer will answer it and you will get more closer to them so that you can close your business deal. What they want, you just ask the question and ask a series of questions in front of your customer. Then you will get understand a full understanding what he need or she need. Then you can close the deal. Number 5, assumptive closing. Assumptive closing is something that you have to have a strong power of mind, the art of clear thinking about what customer actually need, actually want from you. So after that, when you get understand that this customer need these things, then you can solidly ask them to buy your product, that this product will give you their service which is 100% required for you. Number 7, takeaway closing. Takeaway closing, for example, I can say, if you have any kids in your home, when you take away any doll in front of him or her, then this baby need this product, need these things immediately. This is the psychological technique of takeaway closing, which you can apply to your customer. When you get understand that your customer need this, and sometimes you have to take away any product or service in front of your customer, then this customer, the urge of taking this product will increase. That is the sales. What does it called? It's called takeaway closing. You are taking away something from your customer. And last but not in the list, that soft closing. A soft closing is a way to show your prospect that the benefit of your customer. You are showing that what is he required, the prospect, what in future he will get benefit, or what benefit he will get in future, so that you can softly ask them that, okay sir or madam, you can take this product, this will help you in that way. So and that is the last technique. These are the 7 techniques. Actually, we are every salesperson should work. So you can also apply in your business. Thank you very much. This is MD Fattah Faisal. Thanks for listening. Your sales and marketing specialist. Thank you.